Make money with affiliate marketing on social media in 2025. You see it everywhere, people making thousands, even tens of thousands of dollars a month just by posting on social media. They call it affiliate marketing. But when you've thought about trying it, it just feels weird. Like you'd just be annoying your friends, spamming links and turning into that person everyone mutes. So, is it really possible to make actual money this way in 2025 without feeling like a complete sellout? Well, the entire game has changed. The global affiliate marketing industry is on track to be worth over $17 billion in 2025, and it's projected to rocket to nearly $28 billion by 2027. This isn't about being a pushy salesperson anymore. In fact, that's the fastest way to fail. In the next few minutes, I'm giving you the real step-by-step roadmap to turn your social media into a genuine, sustainable income source. Even if you don't have a huge following. This is the playbook for building trust and earning an income authentically in 2025. So, what are we even talking about? Simply put, affiliate marketing is just the digital version of recommending something you love to a friend. If they buy it based on your suggestion, you get a small commission from the brand as a thank you. That's it. No warehouse full of products, no customer service nightmares. You're just the trusted source. And here's why 2025 is the year to take this seriously. More than 80% of brands now have affiliate programs. From giants like Amazon to software companies and, yeah, even your favorite clothing lines, they are actively looking for passionate people to partner with. They'd honestly rather pay real users like you than sink all their money into traditional ads. The reason this model is booming is because of a huge shift in how we buy things. People are just tired of slick corporate ads. They trust recommendations from real people. In fact, studies show that a massive 74% of consumers have bought a product because an influencer recommended it. This is where you come in. By focusing on being authentic, you're not just jumping on a trend, you're building a real business based on trust. All right, let's get into the action plan. I've broken this down into 5 core steps. Forget the complicated jargon. This is your clear path from zero to your first commission. All right, before you even glance at a single product, you have to get this right. The single biggest mistake beginners make is thinking their job is to sell. It's not really. Your job is to solve problems and share value. People can spot a phony link drop from a mile away. Your new mindset is this. You're a trusted resource. You're the friend who did the research and is sharing the best solution. Whether that's the best hiking boots for a rocky trail, the software that finally wrangled your messy workflow, or the skincare that actually worked for your sensitive skin. Every piece of content you create should be something you'd be proud to show your friends and family. It has to be helpful, first and foremost. The promotion is just a natural extension of that help. When you genuinely believe in what you're recommending, it stops feeling like selling and starts feeling like sharing. This is the foundation for any long-term success. Okay, so where are you going to share? The options are endless. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Pinterest, all of them are affiliate powerhouses. In fact, over 67% of affiliate marketers use social media to connect with their audience. But here's the secret. Don't try to be everywhere at once. Start with the platform you actually enjoy using. If you love creating short, snappy videos, TikTok and Instagram Reels are your goldmines. If you prefer going in-depth with tutorials and reviews, YouTube is king. And if you have an eye for great visuals, Pinterest is a discovery machine. Once you've picked your platform, you need to pick your niche. This is so important. Don't just choose what you think is profitable. Choose what you are passionate about. The most successful niches are often evergreen because there's constant demand. Think health and wellness, personal finance, technology, beauty, and travel. Are you obsessed with sustainable living? That's a niche. A wizard at meal prepping for a busy family? That's a niche. A new parent trying to figure out baby safety products? That is a powerful niche. Your enthusiasm is your single greatest marketing asset. It's what makes your content magnetic and your recommendations believable. This is where the money is made, but it's also where your integrity comes into play. So, how do you find these amazing products to promote? First, just start with what you already use and love. Make a list of 5 to 10 products or services that have genuinely made your life better. It could be software, a kitchen gadget, your running shoes, anything at all. Go to their websites and scroll all the way to the bottom. Look for a link that says affiliates, partners, or referral program. You'll be amazed at how many you find. Next, you can explore affiliate networks. These are basically giant marketplaces connecting you with thousands of brands. Popular networks like Share a Sale, Impact, and ClickBank are awesome places to browse for products in your niche. And of course, there's the big one, Amazon Associates. With Amazon, you can earn a commission on almost anything they sell, from books to high-end cameras, but a word of caution, be picky, really picky. A high commission rate means nothing if the product is junk. Your audience's trust is your most valuable currency, so protect it at all costs. A great rule of thumb is to ask yourself, would I recommend this to my best friend for free? If the answer is no, then it's a pass. You've got your mindset, your platform, your niche, and your products. Now it's time to create. Remember, your main goal is to be helpful. The affiliate link is just the cherry on top. Video content is projected to drive a massive 55% of all affiliate traffic by 2025, and for good reason. It builds a connection like nothing else and sends conversion rates way up. Here are some content ideas that absolutely crush it. Honest reviews and comparisons. Go deep. Show the product in action. Talk about what you love and what you don't. That kind of honesty builds serious credibility. For example, comparing the top 3 vlogging cameras for beginners. Problem-solution tutorials. Show how a product solves a specific problem. A video titled, "How I Finally Organized My Messy Desktop with This One App," is way more compelling than "Buy this app." Show the result content. Don't just show the product, show the life your audience wants. Don't just show the running shoes, show the feeling of crushing a 5K. Don't just show the budgeting app, show the vacation you were finally able to afford because of it. Behind the scenes and day in the life weave products naturally into your daily routine. This is authentic storytelling and it works. And always disclose your affiliate links with a simple hashtag ad or hashtag affiliate. Transparency doesn't hurt your sales, it builds trust and it's required. You can have the best content in the world, but it won't matter if no one sees it. The great thing about social media is that you don't need a huge ad budget to get noticed. Focus on organic, real traffic strategies. On platforms like YouTube and Pinterest, this means learning some basic search engine optimization. Use keywords in your titles and descriptions that people are actually searching for. High-quality, valuable content naturally gets pushed by the algorithm over time. On Instagram and TikTok, it's all about jumping on trends, using smart hashtags, and actually talking with other creators in your niche. Your goal is to become part of the community, not just shout into the void. Crucially, you need one central place for all your important links. Since most social platforms only give you that one link in your bio, use a free link in bio tool like Linktree or Bitly. This lets you create a simple landing page where you can direct your followers to your blog, your top products, and your other social channels. And remember, you don't need hundreds of thousands of followers. Micro-influencers with smaller, super engaged audiences often get much higher conversion rates because their followers genuinely trust them. Focus on building a community, not just collecting a number. So, what's the 2025 game plan? 1. Shift your mindset from salesperson to trusted friend. 2. Pick one platform and a niche you're obsessed with. 3. Find and promote products you truly believe in. 4. Create content that solves problems and shows the result. And 5, drive traffic by being a valuable member of your online community. This is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a real business model that rewards passion, consistency, and authenticity. The potential is huge. Some software affiliate marketers earn over $5,900 a month on average. But it all starts with that first piece of helpful content, your first genuine recommendation. And if this roadmap was helpful, do me a favor and hit that like button and subscribe for more no-fluff guides to building your online income in 2025. Now go get started.